Okay. Sniper International boxer, we say tavern, you know, we say standpipe, you know. Ease out. Original style protege representing the ear, say blood money run the place, don't. Yeah. Sniper International. Original style. Boxer, let them know. Alright then. Me now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Enough drugs, money they a cherry garden. Enough individual society applauding. No can ask boxer how where them get them starting. But no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station. Never see a cell, not even a courthouse. Well, every Sunday we see them take a boat out. North Coast Resort and car dealership. The construction company, them just don't legit. Them using washi money, Tony round and hide it. When they kick back them come in, the government delighted. So, police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, Sniper International a running nation. Go take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you want the problem what we face to. Boxer say him a go buy an X6 in